Hello, today we're going to be installing the Microsoft Office suite. So first thing you want to do, go to office.com. While you're here, you're going to want to sign in with your NTCC credentials. And once you're here, you want to go to apps right here. Go to install apps, install Microsoft 365 apps. Then install Office. Give that a second, then click that file. Accept changes to your device. Give it a second and it will start running the installer for you. This can take several minutes depending on internet connection and your device. And once the app is done installing, you'll get these notifications. You can close those out, run in here, say open Excel, and with these you'll want to sign in, again using your NTCC account. And if you are doing this, it will most likely ask you for to use the Authenticator app. You can close that out and should be signed in and you're good to go. Once you sign into one of these apps, it should sign you into the rest. And there you go.